Hey everyone, today we are exploring Power BI desktop layout, especially how to manage your workspace pane. So if you look at the right side of your default screen, you will usually see data pane and the visualization pane along with collapsible pane. Now a common issue people face is accidentally closing these panes and not knowing how to get them back. So basically the view menu at the top of your control center is for this. You can click on it to toggle the filter pane or any other pane to on and off whenever you need to manage more space on your canvas. When you want to build a chart, say a stack column chart, you can just select it from visualization section. Once you add it, Power BI gives you three primary control categories. One for mapping your data fields, a second is for styling and formatting, and third for applying analytics function. You will notice a new visual shortcut on the home ribbon which let you instantly drop a fresh chart block into your page. Now you might notice your screen look bit different depending on a specific UI settings called on-object interaction. Microsoft introduced this feature to make formatting a lot faster by letting you edit elements right on the chart itself, similar to how other Microsoft Office products work. If your screen doesn't match mine, it just means that we have different preview settings active. Let's see how you can change this. You first need to go to File, then Options and Settings, and then click on Options. In the pop-up window, scroll down to left sidebar until you see a preview feature. Inside that list, look at the checkbox labeled On Object Interaction. If you want to use the newer layout, go ahead and click that checkbox and click on OK. You just need to keep in mind that you need to restart Power BI desktop to see these changes to take effect. Let's close the application without saving and open a fresh blank Power BI report to see the difference. Now that layout is updated, you will see the old visualization pane is replaced by a streamlined build pane. When you click on any chart, ultimately whether you pick the chart from the top menu or the contextual side panels, the core functionality remains identical. Now take a second to set up your panels comfortably, and in the next session, we'll look close at adjusting the report canvas settings before we bring in the actual data. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in next part.